Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious sopita de fideo. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 7 ounces of fideo pasta, 4 Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, a handful of cilantro, 6 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of tomato bouillon and chicken bouillon, along with half a teaspoon of ground cumin. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we're going to begin by making our tomato broth. So to the blender cup, add the Roma tomatoes, along with a piece of onion, garlic cloves, chicken bouillon, tomato bouillon, and ground cumin. And we're going to be blending with 4 cups of water. Okay, now blend until smooth. Okay, so once we have that, now we can get ready to make our sopita de fideo. Alright, so now to our pot over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to be adding our fideo pasta. And now we're going to be frying it for 5 minutes or until our pasta is nice and golden. Make sure that you're stirring occasionally so like that you don't burn it. And now we're just going to get it nice and toasty. Okay, after 5 minutes, our fideo should be nice and golden. This is what you want it to look like. So now here we're going to be adding our tomato broth. Along with that, 2 more cups of water. Here I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt. We're just going to mix it and bring it to a simmer. Okay, so once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. And now we're just going to reduce the heat to low. Add the handful of cilantro, cover it, and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. And make sure that you stir it occasionally so like that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Alright guys, and after 15 minutes, our delicious sopita de fideo is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and of course you can just enjoy your sopita de fideo like that. But let me show you how I like to enjoy mine. I like to squeeze a little lime juice, crumble some queso fresco, and just top it with some hot sauce. Just like that. And of course, serve it with some taquitos de queso. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This right here, it's a comfort classic. I grew up eating and I'm sure many of you did too. It's honestly super delicious just to enjoy like that by itself, or you can always serve it with beans, your meat. You can go so many ways. But this right here, it's seriously the best, so delicious, and it's perfect to enjoy all year round. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Just always so perfect. The taquitos, they just go so perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at how I make my super easy and delicious sopita de fideo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.